This is one of the worst tackle ever. And Indonesia fourth-year footballer Mohamed Emin Gimnastia, the name go far, has been handed a lifetime ban after committing a shocking foul while his team Putra Jaya was hold down against Preseta or Paseta. That club they were playing, and the guy he fly new. The guy he kick him like it's not just ball. He don mean the guy before. The way he kick him, me sef fear. Ah, I fear me sef fear. He kick the guy, he lift his leg, ó fún pàtódà. Hey Jesu, he wan kill am, but so they have to ban him a lifetime. He won't be able to play football anymore. Subscribe for more.